Hey traders, I've discovered an exciting new TradingView indicator that you're going to love. It's an enhanced version of the classic ATR indicator and called ATR Plus Trailing Stop. In this video, we'll delve into what this indicator is, how it works, and we'll even combine it with another technical indicator to create a highly profitable trading strategy. To get started, head over to the tradingview.com and open the indicator search tab. Type in ATR Plus Trailing Stop and select it to add it to your TradingView chart. Once added, we'll access the settings and tweak a few things to optimize its performance. Keep in mind that although I'll be using BNB 5-minute chart to demonstrate this strategy, the ATR Plus Trailing Stop indicator can be applied to various charts and time frames. Feel free to backtest it on any chart of your choice. Just remember to follow all the instructions provided in this video for the best results. So let's dive right in and see how the ATR Plus Trailing Stop indicator can give you an edge in your trading game. The ATR Plus Trailing Stop indicator has an impressive feature called trailing mode. In this mode, you'll see an ATR line that dynamically adjusts as the price moves. The line trails the price action until there's a crossover, at which point the indicator flips its position from long to short or vice versa. This adaptability allows you to stay on the top of the market's ever-changing conditions and make timely trading decisions. While the ATR Plus Trailing Stop indicator is undoubtedly a fantastic tool, it might occasionally generate counter-trend signals. This is because the indicator doesn't necessarily identify the trend itself. To overcome this challenge, we can pair it with another indicator that will help filter out these signals. This way, you'll have a well-rounded strategy that's even more effective. But before we dive into that, I'd like to remind you that here at TradeGenius, our YouTube channel is dedicated to providing you with the best scalping strategies using free indicators. Our goal is to ensure that every trader has access to the tools they need to succeed. So, if you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more amazing content. Now let's add the second indicator called Trend Follower to our TradingView chart. To do this, head over to the indicator section and in the search tab type Trend Follower and select it to add it to the chart. Once you've added it to your chart, you'll have an additional tool to help you identify the trend and filter out any counter trend signal generated by the ATR Plus Trailing Stop indicator. Great, now that we've added the trend follower indicator to our TradingView chart, it's important to note that we'll need to make a few adjustments to ensure it works seamlessly with the 8-yard plus trailing stop indicator. This will help us create a well-balanced trailing strategy and maximize profits. To make these adjustments, access to the settings and follow my steps to find the optimal settings. Let's talk about the trend follower indicator we just added. This handy oscillator displays histogram, making it easy to interpret market momentum at a glance. When the histogram is green, it signals that the market momentum is increasing, indicating a possible uptrend. On the other hand, if the histogram is red, it suggests that the market momentum is slowing down, potentially pointing a downtrend. However, there's an important note to remember when using this oscillator. If you don't see a histogram, that means you should hold off on entering a trade, whether it's a buy or sell order. Now let's get to the heart of this strategy, the trading rules for entering and exiting positions. Don't miss this crucial part. To enter a buy trade, you first need to wait for a buy signal generated by the 8-yard plus trailing stop indicator. Once you see the buy signal, it's time to confirm the market trend using the trend follower indicator. If the histogram is green, indicating an increasing trend, you're good to go. Once both conditions are met, you can confidently open a buy position. After that, set your stop loss at the 8-yard line to manage risk. Now to exit the trade, simply trail the stop loss using the 8-yard stop loss line until the price intersects with it. As you can see from this example, following these rules allowed us to make a profit of 78% with just a single trade. Now let's discuss the rules for entering and exiting sell trades using this strategy. First, wait for a sell signal from the 8-yard plus trailing stop indicator. Once you receive the signal, it's time to check the market trend using the trend follower indicator. If the histogram is red, indicating a decreasing trend, you're ready to proceed with the sell trade. So once both conditions are met, you can confidently open a sell position. Remember to set your stop loss at the 8-yard line to manage risk. And to exit the trade, simply trail the stop loss using the 8-yard stop loss line until the price intersects with it. In this example, following these sell trades rules resulted in an impressive 54% profit. Up next, check out this amazing video to take your trading to new heights. Happy trading!